In this video tutorial, I will use PhoneInfoga. I will give you a link. If you just visit the link and go to the about, and there is a website link, and here you can see PhoneInfoga. If I just click on installation method, they will show you the installation method for Kali Linux. And if I just copy this and paste it in my terminal and paste enter here, it will take some time to download everything for us, so we need to wait here for download to complete. Here you can see it has successfully downloaded. So if I just copy this command and paste it in my terminal and press enter, here you can see it is returning the version number. That means we have successfully installed this. So if we want to install this globally, we can copy this command and paste it in my terminal. So just copy this command and paste it in my terminal. So it will be globally installed on our device. Okay, if I just now type PhoneInfoga and press enter, here you can see all the available commands here, what we can use here. Here you can see PhoneInfoga is one of the most advanced tool to scan phone number using only free resource. So for example, here you can see scan, then -n for number, and we need to provide the number. We can use help, scan, scanners, SERP, and version service for the web server. So if I go to the website and go to the usage, here you can see they are showing the simple usage. If I just copy this command and paste it in my terminal and press enter, it will find all the available information about the phone number. They will search on the Google and other search engine, and whatever they find using this number they will provide it. If I just open first link here, so here you can see this where this one is related or this number is related. If I click here, it will take us to their social media. Yeah, this one is the Facebook, so their social media account. So we may find some information about this target or about the phone number here, or maybe we can find some specific documents in their page, or if I search for a specific thing, we may find it here. So next thing what we can do, you can type any number and you can scan with it, and you can see what information we can get. Here you can see we found the result for local and also result for international numbers. Here you can see, and using PhoneInfoga we can do a lot more than this. If we just type SERP, it will start server and it will tell us the port number where this one is listening. This one is 5000, and if I just open my browser and type localhost, then 5000, and it will take us to the PhoneInfoga web server. I can select any country from here, and for me, if I just select my country and put my phone number here and press enter, here you can see this one is returning Google search. And if I just click the general and if I click any link, here you can see it will search for it and it will take me to the page and it will show me what they get about me. Here you can see they found exact this 3 number. How advanced this tool is. Here you can see if I just open this one is Bangladesh Agriculture University list, and here you can see this one is matching the exact phone number from where or from the place this number is used. If I just click here, it will download already download a file for us. Here you can see I don't know which information is, so you can use this for various purpose. Here you can see if I just open this, okay, this one is not opening here. So you know that this one is advanced tool, so using this you can do lot more things. So this one is just a demo. You can do lot more things. You can visit other link and you may find other information about the phone number.